My name is Ravichandra. In this video, I'll walk you through my Bookfinder AI project built with React.Js using Open Library API for the book searches and Open AI API for the AI powered summaries. I'll show you the code structure, explain the functionality, and present the deployed application. So here is my deployed application in which you can see a search bar and you can search any book by title, by author, and by their ISBN number. There is my search button. So if you search any book over here, like I am searching that Harry Potter, for Harry Potter, so you'll automatically, it will show you the various book. Scroll down and look for your book which is required, and it will show you the number of results shown over there. So yeah, you can see your next pages and it will get you to the next page, and you can read whatever or get whatever book you want to get. So this is my functionality of this Bookfinder app basically. So if you click on any book, it will show you the pop-up like book name and who is the authors of publication and AI summaries, which is currently I am thinking it's not working. So it will provide with the link. If I click over here, I'll directly go to the Open Library page for that book, and I can read or borrow it from here whatever I want. So this was the demonstration of. So next part we will move through my code. Now we have came to our coding part, in which I'll explain you all of my code. This is the code for my application. If you can see, this is my Bookfinder folder, in which my src folder contains my main file, which is app.jsx, in which I have written all the codes. For now I have written all the codes in the single file, which is app.jsx. I didn't break into components, so I'll do it later on. And if I have to update this app, so I can add nav parts and all of that functionalities. For now I have made it quite runnable type of that. So yeah, if I look over there, my imports, these are my imports. Basically I have imported all my hooks and Open AI API for the AI summaries and CSS for the styling. So I have used 3 hooks: use effect, use state, and use ref. These are my variables, or you can say these are my constant. I have state variables for the search queries, result, loading, error, selected books, summaries, and featured books. I use debounce effect to limit the API effect. This is my debounce input, you can see over here. And feature book on load, this whenever my application will be loaded initially, this use effect hook will be load some features book, which I have written over here, you can see. And yeah, for initial time this will run these particular methods over there. Now these are the function, like async function for the fetching the books, okay, and getting the URL which are needed for that book, you can see over here. Now we move to pagination control. I have defined 2 functions for the pagination. If I have to go to the previous page or if I have to go to the next page, whenever I have searched any book, so it will throw me the all result, and it will also give me the option. So yeah, this is my pagination control. You can see I have defined the function over here or methods for the pagination. This is my header section, in which you can see over there, this is my search panel, in which input, and this is my search panel. You can see below the search panel it's a feature section, in which some books will be there for the demo, not just because you have searched, it will show you for the demo. And below that I got the search result. This is my search result. The data which has been came from the API, it will directly map the data to the UPI, and it will display you all the results. This is the UI for the pagination, in which I have given the reference of that method which I have defined earlier for the previous page and for the next page. Okay, now we move to the model section. This model section says that whenever you click on any book, it will show you some information of that book based on the author, first public, or AI summaries. This is UI for the link to Open Library, in which it will provide you the link for the Open Library, where if you click on that, you can go to the Open Library page and you can read the book or whatever you want to borrow it from there. So this is all about for the code. Now if you